Introducing the Acumen AI from ASH. The Acumen AI utilizes deep learning algorithms to bring inspection to the next level. Based on the type of inspection tasks, simply select the appropriate deep learning model. Capture image datasets. Label defects on captured images. Build a high-performance model that can accurately detect defects and parts, while tolerating variations in complex patterns. The Acumen AI is suitable for a wide variety of visual inspection applications across multiple industries, enabling manufacturers to deliver greater control and consistency of product quality. Current visual inspection models of syringe products rely on the human eye, which is subjective, slow, tedious, and expensive. The Acumen AI excels at performing repetitive inspection tasks with more accuracy than a human can accomplish. The Acumen AI removes operator subjectivity, reduces cycle time, and eliminates recalls, ultimately protecting patient safety and company reputation. Manual colony counting is time-consuming and subject to operator variability. The Acumen AI instantly performs highly accurate colony counts. Its algorithms enable differentiation of overlapping colonies and removal of interference from condensation. The Acumen AI ensures reproducibility of colony counts and negates the requirement for second reading. The process of mounting through-hole components onto PCBs can be subject to incorrect component selection and orientation, resulting in batch scrappage, despite instructions and operator training. The Acumen AI learns correct component positioning and orientation on PCBs for inline assembly verification of PCB components, enabling detection of assembly issues early on, increasing quality and reducing costly waste. The inspection of packaging integrity is crucial in ensuring product quality and stability. Manual inspection can be prone to operator subjectivity and is time-consuming. The Acumen AI rapidly and consistently detects packaging integrity issues, such as scratches, punctures, and crimping of the foil, ensuring consistent rejection of compromised packaging defects, resulting in significantly higher outgoing quality. Manual measurement of critical parts and inspection of defects such as burrs, scratches, and surface deformations can be time-consuming. The Acumen AI can simultaneously generate measurements and detect defects on multiple parts, making the inspection process more efficient and robust, driving increased throughput, saving time and reducing cost. The Acumen AI integrates with industrial manufacturing and information technology to optimize operational throughput and improve the quality of manufacturing processes.